Good morning, everybody. It's now June 12th, 2020. It's now 5 a.m. in the morning, looking into the east. Look at my northeast, straight ahead there. Trying to walk out to the end of the road here so I get a little better view. Lots of color. Look at that blue though, everybody, how it looks. This is over to the north. My north sky, everybody. This thing's getting so close. It's almost like you got a tail going right here. And you come to the other side, and you got another one coming in through here. Man, that is wild looking right there. Look how red it is on the front of that. I'm talking right here. Still pretty dark out. Until you look right here. Got the moon up here. It's at pretty much southeast. Well, that's all I'm going to have for now, everybody. Back here we got a star up there. I don't think I'm going to pick it. There it is. Yeah, pretty wild looking morning. Got some trails there. Hard to pick up. Wow, pretty amazing, everybody. Okay, that's it for now, everybody. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back. I don't know why it won't get clear. There it is. We'll be back later. Thanks for watching. Everybody, I'm back. It's now 5:19. And sunrise ain't till 5:49, so we're a ways from sunrise. I mean, look at this stuff. Really, really red right back here. There's to the north. Come over here a second. See if I get it from this angle. And that PlanetX system's getting pretty close, everybody. There's some turkeys in the back. It's not a contrail or chemtrail, whatever you want to call it. Look how purple that sky looks there. Just beautiful, though. Alright, everybody, I think that's going to be about it. Thanks for watching. We'll be back later. Alright, everybody, I had to come back. It's now 5:31. One last shot here, and I'm going to be done. I'm running a time lapse, so we'll be able to watch some of this on the time lapse. Yeah, look at this stuff. I mean, there's my time lapse. Look how intense that is. Wow. Sun don't come up for a little bit yet. Sorry for the trees. It's back to the west. There's northwest. Look at my north sky. A lot of plasma. Stuff's insane looking. Look it up here by the moon now, everybody. Stuff's really, really intense. I wish I could see over here more. Walked back out by the road one last time. Then I'm going to end this. Look at that over there, man. Good PlanetX and NIbiru update. Like I said, I'm running a time lapse, everybody. That's what I'm talking about, tails. I mean, you can see this one, if I get it. This tail's coming all the way down like that. You come over here, the sun's going to come up right in here, right in the northeast. But you got this tail over here coming down too. It's not showing up quite as good, but I think you guys know what I mean. Stuff's insane. Whole sky's getting purple. There's back to the southwest. Even purple back there. Or pink. There's the west. Wow, pretty amazing. All right, everybody, we'll let the time lapse do its thing here. And hope you guys enjoy the video. Have a blessed day, everybody. Later.